There is a single mom in my neighborhood that I know is really struggling right now, so I wanted to give them dinner. And one of the ways I thought would be easy would be go to Rosa's Cafe. I love Rosa's Cafe. Right now, they're doing curbside pickup for family meals, and it's burrito night, so I thought that would be fantastic. But I also had an idea of another way to speak love, and so I just wanted to take you along for the ride. Hi, what's your name? It is nice to meet you. I'm Bonnie Curry. I'm with KLTY Radio. Okay. We have a program called Speak Love, and so I want to take one of your burrito family trays. I'm going to bless a single mom with that, but I also want you to charge me for 2 of them, and the next person that drives through that orders the family plate, the family tray, please put that on me. Okay? There you go. So hopefully that will be a nice blessing for a family that's driving through, trying to feed their family. And it's such an easy way to speak love to somebody. So not only am I going to help a single mom who could really use the blessing, hopefully that'll be a really neat surprise for somebody who's driving through here at Rosa's Cafe with an order for their family. So maybe they'll pass that along. So it's an easy way to speak love, everybody. Love you. Speak love.